Hi there สวัสดีครับ You are watching Dr. Green Channel. Today we are going to show you the automatic voltage stabilizer for the air conditioner. And the size of this stabilizer is 5 kVA and support the air condition up to 2 tons or 24,000 BTU. In front of the stabilizer is show all the features of this stabilizer. The first one is the high-low cutoff, so it will protect the air conditions from the incoming voltage that is too low or too high, which will be harm for the air conditioners or make the air conditioner faulty. The second one is the micro processor base. So this managed by the microprocessor. The third one is the multi-functional digital display. So in front again, this will be exactly the same with other stabilizer, which will show the incoming input voltage, the outgoing output voltage, and also other status of the stabilizer. The next one is the reverse countdown timer. So once you turn on the stabilizer, it will count down and check the incoming input voltage from the main supply. The next one is the thermal overload protection. With this, you will be very safe from the protection mechanism which managed by the microprocessor, and also it will detect if the stabilizer is overheated. So for the high temperature, this stabilizer will stop working. Okay, and it also certified by the ISO 9001. So with the quality is superb. Last but not least, again, it is the power saving, which everyone might know very well that this stabilizer is using the natural cooling, so it doesn't require the fan to be installed inside. And with the natural cooling or not or the fanless stabilizer, this actually will help to save the power because it doesn't require any electricity to run the fan. Okay. So again, this stabilizer is has very good design with the microprocessor, with the safety mechanism, and also the power saving. Okay. And let's turn to see the side view of this stabilizer. So this is again is written 5 kVA 2 tons AC, and the working range to support on this stabilizer is start from 90 volt to 290 volt. So even the incoming input voltage is 90 volt, it will help to stabilize the voltage level and then output to your aircon. So your aircon will be safe. So if you have the issue at home that your air condition is faulty or is damaged very often, so we can suspect that the incoming voltage from the main supplies into your home has some low or high or both issues. So once you install this stabilizer, it will help to stabilize and keep your air condition working with the normal voltage. Okay, then your aircon will be able to use more longer. The lifetime of the aircon will be longer. So after this, I will show you how to do the hardware installation and showing some demonstration of the voltage adjustment. So I will come back in a moment. Right. So we are now back and ready for the hardware installation part. So let's turn the side of this stabilizer, you will see the cover on this point. Then you will see the screw. So just remove this screw, okay? Just remove this screw. Then we will see the terminal inside. Okay. Loosen the screw. And then it will similar to the open the window like this. Okay, you will see the terminal inside. Then you connect the cable to the air condition at this point. Okay, so in this demonstration I will connect the line and the neutral.